Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can swap left and right headphones in Windows 11. So the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and download Voicemeeter on your device. Just search for Voicemeeter on your web browser, open up the official website, and from here you then want to click on download and install the Voicemeeter software. In my case, I already have it installed, so it will then look something like this. Now, after installing Voicemeeter, you then have to restart your computer in order to apply the drivers installed to your device. But right after that, you just want to head over to your hardware outright here. Click on your headphones. In my case, I'm using this specific headphone right here. And right after that, you then have to simply click on the mono on both of the left and right of your specific headset. Now after clicking on the double click, you will then see this icon right here. So basically what this means is that it will swap the left to the right headphones. You can do the same thing with this one. And after enabling both of them, you have successfully swapped left and right headphones in Windows 11. And right after, you also want to make sure that you select Voicemeeter right here as the playback device in order to listen to the driver that we have installed or the application, which is Voicemeeter. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.